I want the ability to actually be able to send an email and have the contents of the email attached to a TruEdit job or creating a TruEdit job. So to show you this, I'm going to actually pull up my iPhone. So let's just hide the screen here, or hide the web screen here, and we will show my iPhone. So right over here, I've got my iPhone, and I've already gone in and captured a picture. I was at a conference last week, the Creative Pro Conference, Creative Pro Week, and one of the things that, Will, you often ask me for when I'm at a conference, hey, can I get some artwork that we can use in a blog post, like a TrueAuthor job that we can use in a tweet? So I gathered an image, and I just want to email it to you right in TrueEdit. And so I've attached the image. I've given Will some information in the body of the email, and I'm just going to hit submit. And it's going to go ahead and send that email. And you got a little brief view of what that picture looks like. So that trigger in Zapier is what they call an instant trigger. So as soon as that email is received by Zapier, it will begin processing it. So it's a little different than the other ones we've looked at that'll process every 5 minutes. But once that runs, over in the TruEdit web client, we'll be able to see content in the submitted content folder. So again, we'll just refresh. And we'll see that now in the submitted content folder, we have a job, an image, Creative Pro Week. I actually had to put in the timestamp so we know when it was submitted. You might want to clean that up as far as the name. We can certainly change the automation to do that. And we've got that image here. We can see here a preview of that image. We can see it's been put into the review status. And it's actually saved my email address and put that in as the art credit. So if we wanted to use this to let end users or end folks be able to submit content, we could. We could also use this just to capture information from our team.
So the text that you have in the email, could I use it to, can you email text in as well?
Yeah, so in my case, the way I have this configured, and you could create different endpoints, so we could have different email addresses for submitting images versus submitting text. In my case, I took the body of that email and made that a note. But there's no reason that we can't take the body of the email and actually make it a text file that we check into TrueEdit and then you place in a TrueAuthor document or in an InDesign document. That's all possible. And you know, one of the other things, you know, you might want to have information go into different metadata fields. So Zapier also has a formatter plugin, or excuse me, a parser plugin that allows us to parse an email and take the right data out and pluck it into the right.
So like if my signature, we could exclude the signature, for example, from that.
Absolutely.
Okay.